As always, thank you for watching. This welding cart is something that I've actually been meaning to do for like 5 or 6 months. I've had this TIG welder sitting in the corner of my shop and I just haven't had time to set it up. I actually just got back from an event hosted by Lincoln in Cleveland, Ohio. It was kind of a 1-week long crash course in TIG welding, so that really inspired me to get this thing together, so keep your eyes open for that. See if I can point to the right corner this time. I think it is this one. If you click on that, it'll take you to my website. It'll have a link to all the tools and products I use to build this welding cart, as well as links on where you can purchase them. I also forgot to mention that I'm going to post those 2 tracks that I wrote for this video up on that link as well. So they're free use. If you want to use them in your content, feel free to do so. Looks like me and my friend are going to be writing more free use music in the future, so stay tuned for that. I want to give a special thanks to Lincoln Electric and ISOtunes for sponsoring this video, as well as my Patreon supporters. Thank you guys so much. And if you happen to be looking for other ways to support me, I have t-shirts and other merchandise for sale on my website. And I also just created a makers group on Facebook. If you guys have questions or want to share your projects, send an invitation to ZH Fabrications Maker Group on Facebook and I'll get you added. Thanks again.